pasalamatan muna Miss Heart Evangelista. Thank you for hosting.
For being here. Happy birthday, Pia. Thank you, Direk Rico. And Direk Rico, don't forget, I'll be your assistant director someday.
At si Direk Rico gusto niyang pasalamatan yung mga fans sa Pinoy Exchange at saka sa Opinionated sa Facebook.
Yes, thank you so much.
Oh, and don't forget to watch the pilot episode of Beauty Queen.
Beauty Queen,
Tomorrow,
bukas na yan,
I'm
with
going
Miss
to be
Iza.
there.
Ah, you're there? You're part of the show?
Alam mo ako, gusto ko mag-guest dyan. Sabihin ko.
Nakabikini ka?
My role is,
What?
enacting ko talaga.
What's your role?
MC ng Beauty
At least na. Ano ka na ngayon?
I had to study my role talaga.
Aabangan naming lahat yan bukas ng gabi after Illumina. Alright?
Nako, I get well soon, Mr. Rufa may kito.
Yes, see you next
sana
Sunday.
next Sunday. Andito na si Peachy at meron siyang pasabog na palumpalo. Ayan.
At mag-ingat po kayo sa bagyo, sa mga
Yes,
Ay, pero pinadadasal natin na lumihis kasi medyo malaki siyang bagyo at malapit na siya na palapit sa Pilipinas. Sana lang lumihis. Alam mo,
At saka yung government officials, sana may mga boats na kayo this time na naka-prepare.
Yes, that's
Diba?
right.
I'm sure meron na naman na yan.
Or better yet, let's not count on them and let's just prepare ourselves for the worst because this is going to be a big typhoon if ever it hits our country. So mga kapuso,
Mag-ingat
mag-ingat kayo,
and God bless.
magdasal. Hopefully, it doesn't come our way.
And happy birthday!
Happy
Birthday! Alright, mga kapuso.
Thank you so much, guys.
Showbiz Central Loyal Fans Club, thank you guys so much.
Thanks, Pianetics!
Watch out for Party Pilipinas next Sunday. It's going to be great.
Ay, oo, alam ko. Lipad daw yung
Lipad,
Party Pilipinas.
Lipad talaga.
Bongga yan. Ako, bonggang-bongga talaga. Uy, happy birthday, Miss Angelique Quizon. Ayan, happy birthday po sa inyo. O, makita-kita tayo next Sunday dito lang sa
God
GMA, ang
bless
Showbiz
everybody.
Central.
Bye! Abangan niyo si Raymond sa Party Pilipinas sa Saya.
Happy birthday.
Bye!
You've been intrigued by today's hottest showbiz issues in Showbiz Central. Brought to you by New Best Ever